I love Dragon Ball Z. I only got 15 minutes with this fucking recorder, so here we go. 30-minute video. I love Dragon Ball Z. Let's see if I can do this shit as well as these guys. Let's go.
To pick something that I don't know if you got.
Get to the goddamn question. Did Oob participate? The last one, the final one. The final one.
Nano was the first buzz in. Nano.
The final one.
Answer. What is the 42nd World Tournament?
I don't know no numbers.
Where's my buzzer? Because incorrect. Damn, that's gonna knock him into the negatives. Nano is
The final one. I don't know the number.
Rhyme and Lotus also buzzed in. Well, that one was. Yo, first place kind of low. Damn. The next one.
Okay. What if Dragon Ball Super is more recent? How about Dragon Ball Super 500?
Okay, Dragon Ball Super 500. Okay, the person
I don't know the name of this shit. I don't fucking know this motherfucker.
that defeated Shisame.
Who is Gohan?
Rhymes buzzing in.
Okay, probably one of the cat ladies. Bring me my point.
Who is Captain Klee?
You're so close. What? But not points. Come on, bro.
Someone get
Larry, this guy on the screen.
It's a Goma. Who fucking...
100 just for Donna.
Okay.
Someone get
Dragon Ball for 100. The first person Goku met.
Bulma. Next.
Who's Bulma? That is correct.
That's not correct.
No, it was.
It's Grandpa Gohan.
I meant on screen. I meant on screen in the show. My bad.
That was gonna be my question, though. I was like, is he fucking mixing up?
That was my bad. That's 100. You would have said either. I would have given you the point, but since you got the question right, you get to pick the next category and 400. Okay, really trying to.
Lotus is a weave here.
The killer of Commander.
Who is Captain Black?
In the Red Ribbon Army was who? Who is John?
Yes, who is Blue?
That
No.
is also incorrect. Dang.
Commander Black. Commander Black.
You're yelling. Kind of, sir. I was counting on you,
It
Logan.
was
General.
too, because I know Tao.
He shot him in the face.
No, Tao.
I'm telling y'all better.
Because of a stupid ass switch. You wanted us to do all this shit so he can get a little bit taller. He shot him for that.
Bro, someone give me Dragon Ball Z for 100, please.
Okay, all right. So Lotus, since nobody got it right, and you were the last one to carry the torch.
All right.
First person to die in the series. Who is... I gotta say Krillin, I guess. I think like way long in Dragon Ball. But yeah, I gotta say him. But like if you're talking about like demons or whatever that died in that pit, that could be that.
Okay, and 5, 4 is able to buzz in now. Okay, Nano last second for 38 seconds.
That's real easy.
Incorrect.
He's a Bradis, bro. Give me my points. Don't bring my
No, you
That is incorrect.
What?
Thank you.
Rhyme?
My turn?
Yes,
Who is the phone with shotgun?
that is correct.
Oh, and Z? Oh, the former for sure, man.
I love how confident Donna was.
The name of the news anchor from the Cell Games was.
I don't know that.
Wildly right.
I got nothing.
I mean, at least it's a 500 question.
All right,
Can you see the news station? I can give you the news station.
Give them. Nobody got this, so nobody's gonna get points. But the answer was, who is Jimmy Firecracker?
Was it the American name?
Nah, I didn't know that though.
100. So summons are
For 100.
Dragon Ball Super for 100.
Super, okay.
Don't buzz in until after I'm done asking. Okay. All right. Goten and Trunks gift to Videl. Beginning of.
I don't fucking know.
I know what it was, but I don't know what was inside it.
Any buzzer? Come on, this is like episode 1, guys.
Bro,
Who watched
like 6 years ago. I was gonna say that shit old as fuck.
whack ass episodes? I probably skipped that shit.
Rewatch.
All right, Ryan.
It was what?
Yeah.
I was like, it was a liquid, but I don't.
And that's water. Who fucking cares?
They went through all this work, went into a mountain, fought a snake or whatever, and they thought they got the special water, but it was just like regular ass water.
Right.
Dragon Ball Super 200. The final member of the Universe 7 team in the Universe 7 versus Universe 6 arc.
I don't fucking remember. I don't know
For
really.
buzzers, 3, 2, 1.
I damn sure don't remember that name.
Rhyme buzzed in
There's too many universes. I don't remember every. No.
the Universe 7.
I don't think
That is incorrect. One at a time. Dado
One at a time. I'm one guy. Who
Go
is
ahead.
Manaka?
That is. I got it.
Dado.
Let's go. is correct.
Oh my god, I misread it!
Bro, I read it. You gotta.
It was Boo, and then they said, let's go get Frieza instead. Was he not Frieza?
No.
Yeah.
Wow, you were on a different
Yeah,
wavelength.
you were on.
I was on a hidden.
Next up,
It's my turn. It's
yeah,
my turn.
Dotto, go
Right
ahead and
here,
pick.
baby. Right here.
Let's see. Which award did Frost receive for his good deeds in his universe?
I hate these fucking super questions, man. Fucking Gen Z motherfuckers.
Through his all right, Ryan. I have a feeling
like that.
the answer was the Universal.
Who fucking cares?
Wrong 1,000. Let me do better.
This time it's big time.
Okay, all right. Let's see. Who saved Vegeta from Goku Black in Zamasu when he was about to get killed? In the
Trunks.
second fight. I didn't specify that, but in the second fight, because they had multiple.
Who in Trunks? I don't know.
Four.
Characters. I was gonna say that.
God damn it!
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
what happened was through gas grenades or whatever.
Wait.
Remember, if you just get into the embarrassing. Okay. Dotto, go ahead and pick it up for this. Nothing in Dragon Ball movie.
If this is like Super's weird shit, I can imagine GT's.
300 though. Let's get it out the way.
Okay, this is bad by these questions. Okay.
This shit kind of intense.
All right. Dragon Ball
This shit was
Super
gonna be hard.
for 300. This character knocked Enraged Kale unconscious before the Kepler fusion. Okay, 5.
gonna hold you, bro.
4,
I don't know, bro.
2, 1.
Some weird ass fucking detailed questions, bro.
Then, who do you got? That is nice. That's plus 300 for Rhyme. Now he's not negative 1,000. But what you think? And I haven't heard of. They don't got him for research. Lotus, you buzzed in first. What is your answer? Who is Dr. Mew? That is correct.
Yeah, I think I remember that name. I do remember that.
I know. I'm getting worried for y'all. For real. There.
Let me get Dragon Ball GT 400.
Dragon Ball GT 400. What killed Piccolo in Dragon Ball GT?
I believe that was.
Oh no.
Okay.
Specifically
5,
I'm ready.
4.
So I'm gonna throw some shit at the wall here because I'm not sure what you're looking for. But what is hot lava or a planet exploding? What is it?
Okay, I'll take that.
I was gonna say, I was like,
I'll
what
take
part
that.
do you?
Yeah,
Which part
okay,
do you?
so
I could have just said Earth blowing up.
Yeah, okay.
Black Star
No,
Dragon Ball
It was
2.
the Black Star. You could have said Black Star Dragon Balls, but technically the Earth blowing up.
Yeah, I was gonna say because he was just sitting there like bleeding, like go. I just
gotta
I'm the GT bro. I'm a fine metal cooler right here.
He's the younger brother of Tapion.
God damn! Who the fuck knows this bullshit?
Con nerd, he knows this one.
Got hard for this.
When Minogue though.
All
Had to
right,
get it
let's
out.
do
Dragon Ball movies for 300. That's the cooler question.
Dragon Ball movies for 300. This extraterrestrial machine / AI brought Cooler back to life.
Told you though.
Nano was the first one to buzz
wait.
in. Nano.
Too damn detailed, bruh.
Should go through because it says
That is correct. That
What is
is
this?
correct.
I remember that name, yes.
Get out of here, Nano.
All right, Nano. Since you got your first question right, good job.
Let's go.
You didn't have to know that. Okay, for 100. This technique was used to.
He buzzed in before me. I'll give it to him.
All right, Donald did buzz in first, so Donald, go ahead.
At least this one's relevant. Makan
We
Kosapo.
needed the Japanese. I'm joking.
Makako said, what is the special beam cannon?
He made
We needed the Japanese. I'm joking.
Makako said,
You could have said both. Either would have worked. All right, Donald
fucking go.
is now at
We
0.
gonna make it out of here. Let me be free.
I'm gonna go right back in and watch.
Nah, I'm never going back, bro. I'm about to
Do
just
400. Do it,
I'm on my Nano shit. Dragon Ball Z 400. I'm on my Nano shit. I'm never into it.
Okay, all right. The real names of Android 17 and
Lapis and Lapuli.
I'm so slow. Dono,
He's different.
Dono did buzz in first.
All right, so I know we said you were gonna be a stickler about this, but their names are like okay. What is Lapis and Lazuli? Who is Lapis and Lazuli?
Okay, say all right. You cleared it up. You cleared it
I was
up.
gonna say.
That is correct.
No, he didn't say R. He said it is. It's wrong.
None of it, bro. I'd be dumb as fuck, bro. Give me my point.
All right,
Let's
400 for
go.
Dono. All right, Dono, go ahead. You're carrying.
Dragon Ball movies for 100. I want a nice even 500 points on my shit.
What is the name of Gohan's pet dragon?
Oh, come
Oh,
on.
thanks. You guys are big fans of the dragon, huh?
Lotus.
That the Doya looks like he's fucking like 21, sounding like he's 45 and shit.
Chris, yes.
Oh,
That is
nothing, bro.
a reaching ball for Rhyme buzzed in first, and
Pennies.
there is no buzzing from Nano. Okay, I had to make sure.
This is,
All right,
this
go
is
ahead.
something that a lot of Dragon Ball fans will never see, but what are painting?
I'll take that. World's most comfortable pair of underwear. I will take that. Plus 200. Ryan is now almost out of the gutter.
Give me Dragon Ball Z for 300.
Dragon Ball Z for 300. The last Dragon Ball Z question. These Dragon Ball. Oh, Super was actually done first.
Last chance.
This type of fusion involves the dance. Ryan buzzed in first.
How was I that similar?
What is the Metamoran fusion?
The Metamoran. That is correct. That is correct. Plus 300. Rhyme is now out of the gutter.
Hey, fellas, we've been kind of killing it on these past couple questions. Like, we've been
Yeah,
answering.
you guys are clearing it up now. I noticed nobody's picked 600s in a while.
We got kind of scared away. We got kind of scared away.
No. Dragon Ball movies for 600. We're not doing that.
Okay.
Stupid.
Right.
No, plus it.
This shit gotta be about
The
superheroes.
name of at least 3 of Bojack's henchmen. The Dokkan
This
player
is
has
the-
buzzed in.
Oh, shit. Nano, we're gonna make it out with this one.
Oh, Ryan buzzed in too. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Nano, go ahead.
Who is Zinga? Do not get me on the pronunciation.
Actual
No,
names?
yeah,
I can't be
I
like
know it, I
13,
know
14, 15?
Vito, Fido, and Bujin.
Go for all of them, bro. My God.
That is. Dokkan player, you guys are fucking weird. This is not common knowledge.
I'm mad as shit because I could only think of 2.
This is
I'm so
not-
mad 'cause I can only think of 2.
That is not common knowledge, bro.
I can't even
Who
think of her
else?
name.
Bro, this is not common knowledge. You Dokkan players
That's-
are fucking different.
That shit was a Dokkan Div question.
Okay, that was our first correct 600. Nano
Yeah.
suddenly back in the game with 300.
It's not looking good for our resident flower
Hey, if you get 1 600 right now, Lotus, I mean, that's all you need.
still be
All right.
last.
You'll be tied with Rhyme for last, though. 600. We'll see. The Shadow Dragons linked with the 5-star Dragon Ball and the
Okay,
6-star
bro.
Dragon Ball are who? 5.
I got nothing, bro.
When you got
Yeah.
Drake Turles is
Dokkan Div
5.
question? That's crazy.
That,
She is just
the henchmen? As if they're gonna be fucking relevant again.
the Turles. I would
Dragon Ball movies for 200.
okay. Garlic Jr. was sent here when he was defeated by Gohan. Rhyme chimed in first. Go ahead, Rhyme.
What is the Dead Zone?
That is correct.
Let's do the Dragon Ball for 300.
Dragon Ball for 300. The first person to be
Who is Master Roshi?
wished back to life was who? Rhyme buzzed in. 5.
Oh, I guess so. Who's Krillin?
No one else buzzed in. That is incorrect. Bora.
Yeah.
That's right.
That was the little kid's dad.
Yep. He was
I
the first person.
Like, I
to
knew it was
exploit
him, but like, I
the
don't remember his name. Would you have accepted who was the kid's dad?
No, I don't
Nah, you gotta say the name, bro.
Yeah.
You gotta say the name.
I didn't remember the name, bro.
Well, I'm glad I
Your
didn't
position,
buzz
I
in,
might
'cause I would have never remembered his name.
With the position you're in, I might have thought about it. But this was the first character that was wished back in broke Dragon Ball forever because death no longer ever meant anything.
Was Krillin the second? Let's just
Okay.
do Dragon Ball GT for 500.
Dragon Ball GT 500. Bold. He's already at 0. General Rildo is linked with this planet.
I don't fucking know that.
All right.
No,
you got it.
5,
I know what it is,
Four.
but I could not name it.
3,
Something to like Planet Metal or something.
participate 2 is Planet M2.
Can't be
Either
wrong.
200. The first buzz in.
Oh.
Lotus. Go ahead.
What is the final shine attack?
That is correct.
It's one of
Hey,
my
God,
favorite moves in all the Dragon Ball.
Bro, whenever somebody in front of me says the thing I was gonna say, I'm like, just be right at this point.
You're at these together. Goku, Trunks, and Pan needed to find these items scattered across the universe.
Okay, he wasn't before me.
You ain't no point, brother.
Black Star Dragon Balls.
Any shot, Prime, Nano, either of you get like either on a track. It was where I got this.
It was like the devil's toilet.
What you? Let's say I don't big name. What? You?
Here we go.
Devil's toilet. That's fine, bro. That's a positive 9. Devil's question is he else did no balls. Picture of Master Roshi. Lotus buzzed in and nobody else did.
Muten Roshi.
No balls.
Something like that.
My name was Master Wu Taito. Right, for a final part, there are who is oh
The big
making love.
Dub. Alright. Peace.